Google is just days away from unveiling the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, but the leaks show no signs of slowing down. The latest one reveals the foldable's full set of specifications ahead of its official launch. The upcoming foldable from Google will sport a 6.4-inch LTPS OLED cover screen with 60 to 120 Hz refresh rate, 1080 by 2364 pixels resolution, and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. On the inside, the 10 Pro Fold will boast an 8-inch LTPO OLED display with 2076 by 2156 pixels resolution and 3000 nits peak brightness. It will be powered by the Tensor G5 SoC, paired with a Titan M2 chip, 16GB LPDDR5X RAM, and up to 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. At the back, the foldable will offer a triple camera setup with a primary 48MP sensor, a 10.5MP ultra-wide camera with 127 degrees of FOV, and a 10.8MP telephoto unit with 5x optical zoom. The 10 Pro Fold will get two selfie cameras, both using a 10MP sensor with 87 degrees FOV. The foldable will pack a 5015 mAh battery with 30W fast charging that's claimed to offer 50% charge in 30 minutes. It'll also offer 15W Qi 2 wireless charging support. It will run Android 16 out of the box and get 7 years of OS updates, security patches, and pixel drops. Google's Pixel 10 Pro Fold will be IP68 certified and weigh 258 g. It'll measure 10.8 mm when folded and 5.2 mm when in the open state. The phone will be available in moonstone and jade colors. It'll also offer Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, NFC, UWB, dual SIM, Nano Plus eSIM, stereo speakers, triple microphones, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor.